What's up? It's Alisha. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to give the Wetline Xtreme gel a try. I have been seeing it all over YouTube and I have been seeing some pretty poppin' wash and goes. So I wanted to go ahead and give it a try for myself and see how it works on my naturally curly hair. I grabbed this bad boy from Target. It was only a few dollars. So that is a first pro to this product, is that it's so cheap and affordable. So yeah, I got the Wetline Xtreme Professional with the green top. I know there are different kinds, but I went ahead and got this one because this was the only one in store. And I have seen a lot of reviews saying that this one is the best one. So like I said, we'll see. And it says it has a max hold, extra firm hold for 24 hours. So if this is as good as it says it is, my wash and goes will be lasting like will legit last for an entire week. Hopefully. Cross our fingers. So to get started, my hair is freshly washed. Like freshly washed. I deep condition my hair and all that good stuff. So these are my curls after just being washed. So first I want to go ahead and just section off. Actually, I'll just go ahead and section off like a fourth of my hair, like how I typically do my wash and goes. Of course, I'm going to take my spray bottle, this mist spray bottle from Sally's, and just get my hair nice and wet. All right, so our section of hair is nice and wet. Now, I was trying to decide if I wanted to, like what products I wanted to test this Wetline Xtreme gel out with, because of course I'm not going to just apply gel to my hair like without anything else. I would never do that ever. So I'm not going to start now. So what I decided to do is to just do like I would normally do a wash and go. So I have a leave-in conditioner and a styling cream, which I would typically apply anyways. So for my leave-in conditioner, I'll be using the Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Extra Moisture Detangler. I love this stuff. And then for my cream, I'll be using the Camille Rose Naturals Curl Love Moisture Milk. So first, I'm gonna take a good amount of this leave-in conditioner. That sounds so weird. All right, so we have our leave-in. Just gonna rake that all in and smooth it into my hair. Next, I'm going to apply my cream styler, which like I mentioned earlier is the Camille Rose Naturals Moisture Milk. So I have that. I'm just going to smooth that into my hair as well. Alright y'all, so this is how my curls are looking right now. And they are becoming more defined little by little. So yeah, it's getting there. But let's go ahead and put this bad boy to the test. So let's see. This is just a lot of gel for such a cheap price. Like I cannot get over how big this jar of gel is. It has a very light perfumey smell, but it's nothing overbearing at all. As far as the gel goes, I'm not sure how much to apply. So I just have like this much on my fingers, if y'all can see that. And I'm gonna start off like somewhat light and then add in more product little by little. So I'm gonna take this, put it onto my hand, and just kind of smooth it onto the large section of hair. While I am applying it, my fingers are gliding through my hair fairly easy. So it's not like causing any tangle. It's not making my hair feel hard or anything. My hair is just easily gliding through my curls, which is a very good sign. I'm also going to hit these edges real quick and just apply some of this gel to my edges and just get them nice and sleek. This is the first section of my hair, close up of my curls with the gel. applied. And can y'all see how defined my curls are? They are so, so defined. Like, my curls are super curly and my hair still looks very shiny even with the gel on it, which typically doesn't happen for me. So yeah, I am loving how it looks so far. I can already tell there will be a good amount of shrinkage, but I don't even mind because typically my wash and goes will last a lot longer. But y'all, I am like shook by how like defined my curls are. All right, y'all, so my wash and go is done. It's still of course wet, but I wanted to give you guys a really good close-up of how my curls are looking. Applying the gel was actually fairly simple, fairly easy. It didn't take too long, and this is how my curls are looking. I love how they look, y'all. I feel like I haven't had a wash and go look this just curly in a while. I'll go ahead and show y'all the back too. I'm going to let my hair air dry for a little bit, and then I'll probably sit under my hair dryer for probably about 30 to 45 minutes. And by then my hair should be 100% dry. So once my hair is dry, I will come back, give you guys my final thoughts on just the wash and go and how my hair feels and if it's like just how everything's turned out. So stay tuned for that and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so I sat under the dryer for like 30-ish minutes or so, and I also let my hair air dry first for about 15 minutes just to let the product set for a little bit. So this is the result of my hair. As y'all can see, I have not gone in and like fluffed my hair out or picked it out and things like that because I wanted to go ahead and show you guys like the full picture of how my curls look without it being manipulated at all. But yeah, I have to say, y'all, that I really love how my hair looks. And surprisingly, my hair is not that crunchy. I'm not sure if it's because of the gel itself or if it's because of the products that I use underneath it. But typically if I was to use Eco Styler gel for a wash and go, even if I had used moisturizing products, my hair would still be pretty darn crunchy. But I'm like feeling it, and honestly, I could probably get away with not scrunching my hair with oil because my curls are not, like, they really are not crunchy, like, at all, which is crazy because I'm just so used to having crunch when it comes to a very firm hold type gel. My curls feel so soft. I wish y'all could feel them. Like, my curls are so soft and they are so defined. I don't see any frizz in sight, like at all. Even in the front, there is like no frizz whatsoever. In my crown area, there is no frizz whatsoever. Like, my curls are like, they're very clumped together because I did rake the gel through my hair. But yeah, there's just no frizz, and I am just like so happy because my curls are popping, y'all. Like, once I go in and like separate the curls, fluff it out, shake, all that fun stuff, I can already tell this wash and go will be popping, and I'm totally here for it because y'all, this is a different level, like a whole different level for a wash and go. This gel is thebomb.com. Like, I'm hooked. This will probably start being incorporated into my wash and goes because I love to like do wash and goes and I love for it to last for a very long time. And this right here, y'all, this is it. This is it. But I really hope you guys enjoyed watching me try out this Xtreme Wetline Gel. And if you guys have tried it for yourself, go ahead and comment down below and let me know what your thoughts are on this gel, or if I have convinced you to try this gel out for yourself. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already. And as always, I love y'all. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye guys.